Now, for the blue and green group, once you've completed your coloured die rolls, here's what you're going to do next. You're going to grab the other sheet, and this is the one where you have to order your other, or your first one, your first bar graph, into the most to the least, okay? So in that order, you need to go which one had the most rolls. Okay, so first, my rolls, or my biggest one, was red, okay? So here's how you do it. So in this first box here, I've got first, okay? So that's going to be my most, or my biggest one. And my biggest one was red, as I said. So I need to write in here red, like that, okay? Then my next biggest one, or the one that I rolled the most after red, was blue, okay? Blue and orange, okay? Now you can put them, you can put them in either boxes, okay? Because they're the same. So I rolled that 4 times, and I rolled blue 4 times, okay? So you can put either blue or orange in the second, or blue or orange in the third, okay? So I'm just going to choose blue in the second one, okay? I'm going to write blue, and then I'm going to write orange, okay? Even though they're the same, I'm going to just choose one to put in second, and choose another one to put in third, okay? Then my next biggest one was yellow and green, okay? Again, those two were the same. So, I'm going to pick either one, okay? Now yours is not always going to be like that. Yours might be more in order, okay? Yours might be a little bit smaller, one might be a little bit bigger, okay? So I'm just going to put yellow in the fourth, and then green in the fifth, just like that, okay? And the last, my smallest, the least amount I had, was purple. Okay, so I'm going to put purple in there. Okay, now we have to order them. We've already done that with the letters. Now we have to draw a graph again, okay? So the first one's easy, because my first one was red, and it was already in there, so I need to count how many reds I had. 4, 5, 6, okay? So I need to go up to 6. Okay, so an easy way to do that is to look at the number on the left, how many rolls, and go up to the total I had for that one. So red. Make a dot. So if you make a dot there, that means I have to colour up to that one. Okay? So again, I need to colour in all these boxes. Okay? Alright. So I'm just going to colour in nice and neatly. Okay? Making sure that I don't go into the other bars, the other part of the graphs, so it looks nice and neat. Okay. Alright, cool. So my most was red, okay, and I had 6. Now the next most I had was blue. Okay, so I'm going to do blue. Okay, so it had 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I need to go up to 4 using the left numbers again. I'm going across my rows. I'm going to do a little circle there. Okay, there's my little circle again. So I need to colour up to that circle. Okay. Okay, now I need to colour in nice and neatly. Okay. Alright. Again, colour right in. Now my next one was orange. Okay, again, it had 4 too, so I'm going to look at that number at the left, go across and mark it. And I'm going to colour it in again. Okay. Alright. Like that. Okay. Now my next one was yellow, and I've rolled 3 yellows. So again, I need to look on the left with the number, go across and mark it. So I need to colour in from up there. Okay. Alright, and colour that in. Alright, here's my yellows. Okay, and the next one I had was green. So I had 3 as well. So look in the left, mark it there. Okay. Put that in there. And again, going to colour that in. Okay. Alright. Now, oh, this one doesn't look too pretty, so you might want to do a better job than that. Okay. Looks a bit neater than that. Okay, there's my green. Then for my purple, I didn't get any, okay? So that one is down bottom. Right? So once you finish colouring in and ordering from the most to the least of what you rolled in the colours, now we have to compare, okay? So, you get your 2 graphs together and have a look at the difference, okay? You might want to go like that. Okay, so you might want to go like that. Okay, you're able to see the difference between my first one down the bottom and my top one. Now you need to ask yourself, which one do you think is easy to read and why? Okay, so if you have a look at this one, what can you tell the difference between this one and the top one? Okay, why don't you have a think and have a talk to somebody at home? Which one's easier to read? How can you tell which one had the most, which one had the least, which one's easier to read out of these 2? Okay, good luck colouring in your graphs. Hopefully they look nice and pretty.